Meteorologist Dave Robert.
Breaking news. We now have confirmation that Tropical Storm Gordon has made landfall. It just happened along the Mississippi-Alabama border right here, very close to Pascagoula in the last couple of minutes. We've had a wind gust in the Barrier Islands to about 68 miles an hour. So some very strong winds are now being felt. Tornado warnings in effect for the Mobile, Pensacola area. That is common when you have a tropical storm making landfall. But I want to be clear. It's a tropical storm. It did not make it to hurricane strength. 70-mile-an-hour winds. This is the new 10 o'clock report. It is seconds old, folks. You're seeing it first here. 175 miles southeast of Jackson. Again, Tropical Storm Gordon has made landfall in extreme southeastern Mississippi. Updating our forecast track here, you can see that it's going to weaken as a tropical storm as it moves near Wiggins, Mississippi by about 1 o'clock in the morning. And then by 1 o'clock in the afternoon, this will be a tropical depression impacting much of central and south Mississippi. When we say impacting the region, of course, this will be very limited because this is a very, very small system that's moving across the area. We've been tracking it on the satellite picture here, and it looked impressive earlier today, and then it fell apart, and then it's looked impressive again in the last hour or so. There's been a pretty good flare up here over Jackson County, Mississippi, but now with this moving inland, we're expecting the thunderstorm activity to generally calm down a little bit, but probably it will spread out. There's also some drier air that's coming in across the Gulf Coast of Mississippi, and that's helping to limit development any further. So now it is over the border between Mississippi and Alabama, and it's taking a northwestern track. That's going to change things just a little bit. We're going to get into some of those changes. I'll tell you what to expect, but here again is a look at the latest radar. The center, poorly defined circulation, Tropical Storm Gordon making landfall just the last couple of minutes over southeast Mississippi. What does it do from that point forward? I'm going to tell you all about that in just Chief Meteorologist Dave Roberts here, again updating you. We have a tornado watch in effect for these yellow shaded counties, generally east of Jackson. This goes until 7 p.m. I do feel this watch will be canceled well before 7 p.m. because you'll see in a second that most of the weather is moving in and moving out pretty quickly. We do have a severe thunderstorm warning also that's in effect right now. No tornado warnings right now, just a severe thunderstorm warning. Damaging wind is the threat in Atala as well as Holmes and Yazoo counties. Pickens, Goodman, Durant, and Kosciuszko are all included in this warning. It's going to go until 12:45. So again, a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for your area right now until 12:45. No tornado warnings currently. If there are tornado warnings, we of course will break into programming and tell you all about it. This is the line of storms that is moving through right now. If you live west of this line, you're out of the severe weather threat completely. So I'm speaking to you specifically in Yazoo City, Vicksburg, Natchez, even Fayette. The severe weather threat is over with for you. But if you live east of Jackson, if you live east of Brookhaven, and really even in the Macomb area onto the east, the severe weather threat does continue for you at this point in time. I'll go close up on a couple of the storms. Canton, you're getting some very heavy weather right now, right from the square, back across the Nissan plant. Lake Caroline, the worst of the weather has just shifted east, but it's about to move over downtown Madison and downtown Ridgeland. Also, this is Jackson here, North Jackson over by Tougaloo, back across Interstate 220. This is the front. So even in Clinton, your severe threat has now gone down as well as this front is continuing to move to the east. The other area that we're watching here is in eastern sections of Jefferson County. This is where we're watching this echo that's bowing out a little bit near the community of Union Church. This is moving into Copiah County. We will continue to watch it as everything's moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. There's a big contrast setting up in temperatures right now. Behind this front, temperatures are plummeting. It is going to be downright cold. So don't let the weather right now deceive you. It's not going to feel this way in a couple of hours. While it's 72 in Jackson, it is 60 in Vicksburg, 60 in Natchez, 61 in Yazoo, Lexington at 61 degrees, but 71 in Monticello, 73 right now in McGee, and the same in Macomb. Again, all of this will change in the next 2 hours as that front moves on through. We encourage you to use our free First Alert weather app because it'll show you how these temperatures are going to change here. Let me show you real quickly. While we're in the 70s right now, look at this. Temperatures will start dropping here very quickly. We're probably going to be in the 50s here by sundown this evening, so if you're going out later on tonight, you want to wear a jacket for sure. Bundle up for tonight because it's going to be downright cold. Nothing like it is right now. Another thing to tell you, if there are tornado warnings being issued for the area, don't worry. We're going to be back on the air to tell you all about it. In addition, it's important you have the app downloaded, because if you lose power where you are, we still stream the tornado warnings, the broadcast of the tornado warnings through the app. So whether you're on your phone or your tablet and you lose power, don't worry about it. You still have access to us. So very important we tell you that. Our storm tracker also on the road right now, chasing these storms, going up through areas of Yazoo County. This is on Interstate 55. And meteorologist Rachel Coulter joins me now. She's been here through most of the morning tracking these storms as they're moving on through. And we've had some severe thunderstorms. We've had a couple tornado warnings issued, but so far, Rachel,